Today I'll show you how to connect TradingView directly to your Binance account so you can place trades without leaving the chart. So first up guys, the requirements that we will need in this video of course are the TradingView account and of course the account on Binance. Then you go to Products and Super Charts, and from here we just need to choose and navigate to our trading panel. As you can see, I'm already here, and it's pretty simple from here guys. You can either scroll down through the list and find Binance in here. It's an officially supported broker on TradingView. As you can see, there's our Binance. You can also add it to favorites like that, and now it's going to appear here. And now into that piece where we need to have a Binance account, press on this button. And as you can see in here, we can officially integrate and connect our Binance to our TradingView. Press on Connect. In here guys, it's pretty simple. You just will navigate to the Binance website, provide your credentials here, and then you can connect. So for example, as you can see, I just went ahead and logged in with Google, press on Yes, and now the connection should be successful. As you can see, we are prompted to connect our Binance to TradingView. Press on Confirm. All right, we need to verify our email. Okay, so here's my code and confirm. And there you go. Now our Binance is officially connected. As you can see, it's going to appear here next to the trade. Enjoy guys, this is as simple as it gets. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.